Hello and welcome to the Desco Europe factory here in Letchworth. My name's Stephen Burns, I'm the brand manager for Desco Europe. We're going to be taking a tour of the factory today. Reese, one of our production supervisors, is going to lead us around the tour. So Reese, why don't you tell us what this machine does and what it's doing today for us?
So this is our slit sealer machine. So we take large rolls of either conductive or dispersive material. We slit this down to the required size. It's then cut into bags later on. We also supply the tubing as it stands. So we're just going to get Andre, who is the operator, to turn the machine on now and show us what it does.
So we also manufacture a lot of different colours and styles of foil cords. Today we've got some yellow cords here going through the moulding process. Do you want to tell us exactly what this operation is and what we do here?
Yeah, that's fine. So the sealing process to this is to connect a 4mm and a 10mm socket to either end of the cord on this occasion. We'll come over here to Anya. Hello Anya.
Hello.
All right. This is Anya's favourite machine. It's best friend, I must say. So Anya will mould the cords and then test each one as they come off before they go over to the packing area.
So as well as the cords that we saw previously, we're also assembling wristbands here. So this is Magda who's doing that for us today. Hi Magda. And Reese, if you just talk us through the process exactly.
So at the moment, Magda is assembling our 4mm stud metal adjustable wristbands. So this is an assembly level process for us here. We also, Magda more specifically, also makes the fabric adjustable wristbands available in 10mm and 4mm studs and sockets.
So this is the next phase of the bag production. So what do we do here?
So on this machine we take the tubing that we saw being slit earlier, we load it onto the back of this machine, which then feeds it through. We print the stamp onto the tubing. The machine then cuts it into the size that you've set, puts the seal on the end, and then sends it out in packs that we then just get together and bind together like this.
Brilliant. So here's the first pack off the production line. Just bring that up so you can see the printing on the front there has all the requirements of the European standard, including the ESD symbol and the lot number for traceability. So this is one of the largest machines we have here at the factory. It actually goes on for about another 5-6 meters to my left. This is our mat cutting machine. That's not all it does, is that right, Bruce?
No, that's right. As well as doing the bench mats, we can basically do any size. Obviously, there are parameters of the machine, but any size bench that you can think of, really, we can accommodate for. But we also cut other things as well, adhesive pads being one of them. These will be cut into the circular discs that go onto the footwear testers, which Pavel is now going to operate for us and show us how it's done. Over to you, Pavel.
So earlier on we saw the black discs being cut out on the machine out there. We also cut the yellow plate here on that same machine as well, and then they come in here to be finished with the metal plate. So we're going to go over and watch Paul doing that now. And Reece, could you just explain exactly what we're doing here?
Yeah, absolutely. So these are the footwear test plates. Paul is just about to put the 10mm studs onto the plate that we can see up here. Just getting the right tooling going in there. We've just done some 4mm studs, so we just see Paul press this one in. There you have your 10mm socket.
So here in the lab we also have Shah, who's one of our lab technicians. Shah, sorry to interrupt you. Do you want to just tell us what you're doing today?
So currently I'm doing a calibration on a wrist strap and footwear tester. A customer has sent it in for a calibration and I'm just following the procedures and completing it.
And as well as the production capability that we have here in Letchworth, we also have a virtual demo area. So as you can see, it's fully equipped with ESD floor, ESD bench, ionizers, test equipment, our smart log and turnstile. All of the products that we sell and have in stock in the UK can be demonstrated virtually at short notice.
So an operator can scan their card, push the button to activate their test, and when they get a pass, enter through the turnstile.
Well, thank you very much, Reece, for showing us around, showing us some of the things we do here at the factory in Letchworth. And thank you very much for watching. If you do have any questions, do visit us at descoeurope.com or contact us at service@descoeurope.com.